side on me and like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know I'm still on the lowest of the lowest, but then you can keep it like nobody knows it. Oh, stay out the way. I need you to get the fuck out my space. The basement's on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more.
Why Pree Guys? I had my baby I had my baby girl. She was 6 pounds. I love her so much. She's about to be 5 months on Monday. I couldn't be more happier, more blessed, and thankful. Today's video is gonna be like a day in the life as a first-time mom. Home now, I usually am like back and forth from my main house to my house. I come to my house on the weekends, and then during the weekday I'm at my man house. We're going out today, so I'm getting ready. Exclusively breastfeed, y'all. It is so challenging, but I gotta push through. So I'm about to pump. Before I had her on Kendamil. I love Kendamil, specifically the gold one. I did notice, like, give her a bottle of Kendamil, she would kind of like spit up, like not throw up, but she would kind of spit up just a tad. She doesn't drink this at all. She does not drink her feeding. I just had to force her back on her bottle. I'm pretty sure she was to drink this now. She doesn't spit up, maybe because she was so little. It's really so like crazy how our bodies work and how our bodies could provide for our little babies. Like, we grew our babies for 9 months, and then they come out to this new world. If you are not producing, because I thought that I wasn't going to produce a lot, an overproducer, I would produce enough. Do not let anybody like bully you or make you feel bad because you have your baby on formula, because baby is fed, changed, and well taken care of. That's all that matters. Same thing with like giving birth. People was like, oh, I didn't take the epidural, this and that, or you didn't take the epidural. And I did take the epidural because I knew my body could not manage that pain, and my birth experience was perfect. Like, I will do my birth 100 times over again. I got the epidural. But like when I was in like labor at home, it was definitely a struggle. Either way, your baby is gonna come out. Like, you're gonna deliver your baby whether or not you have an epidural or not. So same with formula. If you do breastfeed, congratulations to you. If you do formula feed, congratulations to you. As long as your baby is well taken care of and healthy, that's all that matters. Do not make anybody learns how to be a mother by themselves. Once you have your baby, your mother instinct automatically clicks. I'm not able to do certain things like how I was before, but I love being a mom. When I told my mom, I was so scared, but when I finally told her, it was like a weight lifted off my shoulder, because baby, when you have a child, your mother is going to be your best support. Of course, you have your partner and you have their side of the family. That's good too for like support, but I feel like the most support you need is mainly from your mother and your partner. Once you have a baby, it's like you're not your mother's baby anymore. Like, it's like being a mom is amazing. It is tough days, and I'm literally only 5 months in and multiple years left to go. Like, being a mother never stops. Infinite amount of support. I have my mom, my boyfriend, I have my mother-in-law, I have his side of the family, I have my sister. So I'm about to pump a bottle for her, then I'm gonna pack her bag, then I'm gonna get her ready. I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna show you me getting ready and stuff like that. I do have laundry. My room is a mess. I have to change my sheets. Just finished pumping. I pumped about 6 ounces. We'll see. Do not cycle pumping because you're gonna see it drop. So this is a little bottle. I have her on the Avent, the Phillips. This is the Mandela, I believe, pump. I love it so much. I used to use my, let's see, how much is this? So, under 6. This gets you emptied out so fast.
Yeah.
Don't make me cry, say.
It's so expensive. Yeah. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we locked in.
Alright, y'all. So I had to feed her real quick. I've been having postpartum hair loss. Literally. Like, it's so bad. You comb your hands through my hair, and like, hair is falling out. Alright, y'all. So I slick back my hair. It's not that slick, but usually I wouldn't have this much time to be doing all this, but my mama got my baby. My sister's coming a little later to do laundry. I'm gonna see if I can try and change my sheets.
Fade away. We used still had nothing to our name, still had great days. Always kept me umbrellaed up when the rain came. You tell me you want something, I would tell you same. Now when we come through inside this bitch, they gotta make way. Twisting up my fingers for my twin. You was always on go for the drama, dog. I would toe take somebody for your mama, dog. And they block disappeared, that's some karma, dog. You say you a dog, then roof, nigga, I'm a dog. When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need a friend, you my only friend. Yeah, you my twin.
This button down, these are the best for postpartum. These postpartum gowns, my favorite. As you can see.
Who can I depend on like you knowing? What? In the bed, she get wicked with her parents, she be wholesome. Whoa. I don't show ID at clubs cause they know that I'm 21. Whoa, 21. Who would do the things we do for each other, nigga? No, whoa. Would you die for me? Would you go at niggas' necks like a tie for me? Do the time for a crime you didn't do for me? Or do a crime at a time when it was loose for me?
I wanna tell you how I feel when I'm loaded.
It's done, but it's once you could fuck. The thing is chaotic, okay? I already know what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna just wear my Lululemon Define jacket, some leggings, and my Uggs because I need easy clothes to just whip on my breasts. When we in the car, I just whip up my breasts, I put her on the breast, or just to whip on my breasts to pump. I only use like a little bit, like that's not a lot. I'm gonna pump some more. And you guys can also do it with formula. I should do it with formula because the formula is just sitting there like going to waste because she does not want it. So you can do it with formula. I just never did it with formula. And if you want it more liquidy, one day I put like the puree in her actual breast milk and she drank it like that. But I want to introduce her to like puree so she can start with like solids. Because next month when she's 6 months, she's going to have that porridge that my mommy is going to make, okay? So this is how it looked. I never tried it. I don't want to try it because I don't eat squash. This is milkshake. I've been wanting this for mad long. And the Lululemon leggings on. And we're going to put on our shoes that we got for Christmas. Love these so bad. Like, I want to be these. Okay? Something on, but it's still not giving blah, blah, but. With my sissy poo. But diaper bag is packed. Everything is packed. Let me go put her suit on. This is going to be our scent today. Also got this for Christmas. It smells so delicious and yummy. I got me and my baby on. She a little fussy. So, but I changed it because that was a little too tight on her. She's being mean.
I would lay something down for you. I'll play a whole time for you. Spray the whole 100 round for you.
Bye, dear. We at the mall now. After we just struggled. I just struggled with that stroller.
My fingers for my dog.
Yeah, we in the shoe section from my sister. I'm getting a little aggy. I'm kind of hungry. It's pretty thin in here. She's looking for some boots. So, yeah, I'm hungry, y'all. Pumpkin is still sleeping. She's still a sleepy baby. She didn't get up, huh? Oh, we're about to get something to eat. Hungry like a dog. That's why I'm not laughing. Nothing is funny. Absolutely nothing is funny. But I think we're about to leave now. Hey y'all, so I'm home. We're home. And I'm dumb tired. Like, my ankles is killing me. I'm dumb tired. So I was gonna record like her night routine tomorrow. That's how tired I am, and I just want to lay down. I want to bathe. I actually want to bathe with her and just lay down. I'm gonna show y'all her night routine tomorrow. So because I'm tired. I'm real tired. I want to lay down. Tomorrow, I'm going to be rested and everything. So I'm going to come back tomorrow. And I really don't do nothing during the day because my mom is going to work. I'm going to be home. My sister going to be out. So it's just going to be me and Pumpkin by herself. And my man is going to work too tomorrow. So just going to be me. I do the same thing every day. Like every day. So I'll show her night routine tomorrow. But other than that, we got cover. I'm tired. I'm beat. I'm about to wash my baby. And I'm about to wash me up. And then we'll come back to you guys tomorrow.